How to check Snapchat storage. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your Snapchat storage. So if you're wondering how much space your memories, chats, and stories are taking up, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down to the Account Actions section and tap on My Data. Here, toggle on Export Your Memories, Chat Media, and Shared Stories. This will let you see exactly how much storage your Snapchat data is using. If you want to download your memories, scroll down and tap Next. Before you do that, you can choose which types of data to include or exclude. Make sure to set the time range to all time so you get everything. Finally, tap Submit, and Snapchat will send all your memories straight to your email address. And that's it! Now you know how to check your Snapchat storage and even save your memories if you want.